Hello guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. 4 hours back, I did a video on how you can use the Pancake Swap to swap a coin on the Trust Wallet application. Now, I'm going to help you guys to see how you can use that same Pancake Swap to buy SAFEMOON coin in less than 3 minutes still on the Trust Wallet application. As we all know, SafeMoon is one of the top's biggest shitcoin in the world. Let's take a look at some features of SafeMoon. Now let's go to CoinGecko. Let's go to CoinGecko. Let's go to the price chart first. Do you know that SafeMoon market cap rank? SafeMoon is ranking number 53 in the market cap rank. Yes, it is a shitcoin, but this shitcoin is actually doing wonders. And they hope to release a wallet very soon. That is very interesting. Look at the market cap, over $1.5 billion and over $15 million have been traded. It is of interest to note that SafeMoon have listed in top 7 exchanges such as Pancake Swap, Version 2, Bitcoin, BitMart, Gate Exchange and the likes, just to mention but a few. No doubt this shitcoin is really doing wonders, just as I mentioned. You can see the price above 0.000267. The price is very low. So this would be the right time, guys, for you to grab more SafeMoon. No wonder during this video, we will be helping you to see how you can buy SafeMoon on Pancake Swap in less than 3 minutes. Do you want to be among those who want to grab some bag of SafeMoon? Because very soon when this coin skyrocket, this coin is actually going to make thousands of persons millionaires, because thousands of persons, in fact millions of persons, are holding this coin. So if you want to be among those who wants to buy SafeMoon, don't go anywhere. Stay tuned as we will be bringing to you step by step the following ways that you can buy SafeMoon on Pancake Swap through the Trust Wallet application. Let us proceed. Now, let us go to our Trust Wallet application app. Let us locate our Trust Wallet application. This is it. This is our Trust Wallet. So in order for you to buy SafeMoon, you need to come to your Trust Wallet. Now, sorry, my Trust Wallet has a password for security reasons. Now, this is our Trust Wallet. I don't need to explain anything about this Trust Wallet anymore. We have to go straight to the point because I did those explanations on the former video. So if you need explanation on the Trust Wallet, you can go back to that video and watch it again. Now we'll quickly go straight to the dark browser. Let's locate Pancake Swap. Let's wait for it to connect. Guys, always make sure that when you are using Pancake Swap, it is always on BSC Smart Chain. Pancake works with smart BSC Smart Chain contracts. It does not work with Ethereum. Ethereum work for swap desks such as Uniswap and the likes, but Pancake Swap is built on BSC Smart Chain. So take note of that, guys. So we are already on the Pancake Swap. We're about to get some SafeMoon. So now if you check, the slippage is 19%. Is it possible for you to use 1% to get SafeMoon? Yes, it is very possible. So we're going to change the slippage from 19% to 1%. So we'll go over to this place, click, then you put 1%. So our slippage is already set for 1%. Now what coin are we buying? Again, we are buying SafeMoon. So you go to select currency and click on that. You go to select currency, click on that. Because I already have some SafeMoon, it's already showing here. But meanwhile, if SafeMoon does not appear on your Pancake Swap, you can simply go to the website to get the contract address and paste it here, or perhaps put the name here and paste it here. Then the name will show, the coin will show. Now you click on the SafeMoon and put the amount of SafeMoon that you want to buy. If you want to buy the one of 1 BNB, if you want to buy SafeMoon of $50, you put it. Now the SafeMoon in my account is very low, but let's see what it can give me. 0.005. How much SafeMoon would that be? Let's wait. That is equivalent to 577,000 SafeMoon. 577,000 SafeMoon. Okay, let's add one to this. Okay, it gives us 589,000 SafeMoon. 589,000 SafeMoon. Now it's time to swap. Remember, the slippage is in 1%. So now let's swap and see if it's going to go very well. You click on the swap button, it shows you confirm swap. You click on confirm swap. Wow, price of SafeMoon has been updated just a second back, so you have to accept the price before your transaction can work. Accept. So let's confirm swap, guys. Let's wait for confirmation. Let's see if this is going to go through. Network is a bit slow. We're still gonna get through, guys. My internet connection is not stable, so let's wait, guys, for confirmation to load. So you see the outcome: the transaction cannot succeed due to error execution reverted, insufficient output amount. So let's go back and see why it gave this result. Let's go back, guys. So what you do is dismiss. So since the slippage is in 1%, what you have to do is go to the SafeMoon. You see the last digit here, you remove it and replace it with 1. Okay, insufficient BNB balance. Okay, coming. Network is a bit slow. Sure, I have to cancel some things. Okay, sorry, I'm having some network issues.
Sorry guys, there's some bit of a challenge here. Think you cancel. We have a bit of challenge. Okay, 5 7. So what we do now is come back here, cancel some zero, cancel some zero. So we have 577,000. Cancel one. Finally, then you impute one there. Yeah. So if you are using one percent slippage, what you have to do, just as you have seen, is come to where the safe mode is, cancel the last digit at the back, and replace it with one. Now let's swap and see if it's going to work. Let's swap. So you click on confirm swap. Sorry, safe moon price is updating regularly, so we have to accept it again. Then confirm. Let's wait for confirmation. So you see guys, you can actually use one percent slippage in buying safe move, but because the bnb in my trust wallet is very small, I have just one point something dollar bnb, I'm not able to afford that safe mode. But if you have enough bnb, once you get here, this place showing insufficient bnb balance, you will see approve. Then once you click on that approve, your safe moon is already in your wallet. Hope this video would help you guys to get SafeMoon. Don't forget to like this video, subscribe to my channel, and also turn on the notification bell to get notified whenever I post new content. Thank you.